Man, it's okay. You can. Man, Disney Snow White remake. It's like that one friend who throws a party and nobody shows up. You stand there like, you spent $207 million on this. Didn't you? You could have just ordered pizza and called it a night. And at the center of it all is Rachel Zegler, who somehow managed to turn a Disney princess into a PR nightmare. Let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about the two co-stars. So Rachel Zegler and Gal Gadot, two women, two completely different vibes. Rachel out here in a modern feminist, I don't know which one you want to call it, and Snow White don't need no man. That's what she's saying. Meanwhile, Gail's like, hey, I'm just here to look fabulous and collect my check. It's like watching two different movies at the same time, right? So Rachel called the original prince a stalker. I mean, sure. Yes, I get it. He kissed her while she was asleep. But that's Disney's logic. We know this. You cannot apply Dateline NBC rules to a fairy tale. Gal Gadot, on the other hand, is playing the evil queen, and honestly, she's probably the only one who came out this whole situation unscathed. She was like, hey, y'all go ahead. Y'all can fight over feminism. I'm over here. I'm just going to slay in my crown. And the problem is, Rachel's version of feminism, it feels like it's trying too hard. It's like she's saying, I'm not like the other princesses, but forgot that people actually liked the original. It's the problem. And then there's this whole, between the two, this whole Israel Palestine controversy that they had between the two, because Rachel's out there tweeting free Palestine while Gal Gadot literally is a part of, she's an Israeli icon, and she is also the part of the goddamn she was a part of the goddamn army. And that's not, just oil and water. That's a whole Molotov cocktail. And Disney is like, can y'all just stop talking and let the movie flop in peace? But nope. The drama just keep on coming. And at the end of the day, feminism isn't about tearing each other down. It's about lifting each other up. That's what it's supposed to be about. But try that on, Twitter and, these other spaces. And the problem with they also had a problem with not hiring the small people in the dwarves. Now let's talk about the 7 dwarves, or should I say, the 7 CGI abominations. Disney's said, hey, we being inclusive, but somehow managed to exclude the one group of people who actually needed those roles. We have Peter Dinklage. He called them out, and he's got a point. Disney's like, hey, we too woke for dwarves, but not woke enough to realize how hypocritical that sounds. Imagine being a little person actor and seeing one iconic role replaced by a green screen. It's very similar to if you was a chef finding out your restaurant now switch to microwave dinners. Can I have a Salisbury steak and make sure you have it on high, please? Disney excuse was modernizing the story, but I think you can modernize without erasing people. It's called a balance, and they just need to look it up. And it's kind of crazy. And the irony is, the original dwarves had more personality than half the cast in this remake. Grumpy, dopey, bashful. They were icons. Meanwhile, the CGI versions looks like it belongs in a bad video game, to be honest. And this isn't just about representation. It's about the opportunity. Little people actors already have limited roles. And Disney just snatched one of the biggest ones away from them. If you're gonna preach inclusivity, you know those big words be having I be having problems with those words. You better practice it. Otherwise, you're just another corporation and you are pretending to care. And it's sad. And Rachel's career is like one of, it's like one of those stocks you invest in because everyone says it's the next big thing. That's what she is, right? And then it crashes and you just left holding it back. She went from West Side Story to Snow White to, well, probably an indie film about self-discovery on Tubi. Her comments about the original Snow White being outdated didn't just like alienate fans, it alienated Disney. And if Disney doesn't like you, good luck finding work. It's crazy because she had at least 3 more jobs lined up from Disney, literally, and they fired her from those jobs as well. So like she lost about 7 jobs just that quick. Producers are probably like, hey, do you really want to hire someone who might call your movie problematic halfway through filming? It's not just about what she said, it's about how she said it. There's a way to critique without burning bridges, but Rachel brought a flamethrower. And the sad part is that she's talented. But talent only gets you so far when your PR game is a mess. Hollywood loves a comeback story, though. So who knows? Maybe in 5 years, she'll be starring in a critically acclaimed Netflix series. Stranger things have happened. So what's the moral of the story? Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't replace dwarves with CGI. And for the love of all things holy, think before you tweet. Disney tried to modernize Snow White and ended up with a $115 million loss. And Rachel Zegler, she tried to be a feminist icon and ended up just losing jobs and dwarfs as well. And they're probably, somewhere watching this mess unfold. Like, I told you so. But hey, at least Gail got her check. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the real winner after all? Make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you can, sheesh, hit the 99-cent super sticker. I appreciate y'all. Speak to you later.